Now you gotta spin the blade so you can see that slot lines up right there. Take a screwdriver, fit that down in there. That'll stop it from moving around while you try to take it off. Like that. Tighten to loosen. Take out these pieces. Blade off there. New blade on there. It's going to be loosen to tighten. There you go.